I'm Dr. Carol Lawyer. I'm a veterinary cardiologist, and I'm the founder of EchoVet. Hi, I just thought I would go through EchoVet under the hood. This is what it takes to make a robust database like this. And first, you have to have data. And so there's all sorts of kinds of data that had to be put in here because veterinary ultrasound is complex and far-reaching. So there's all sorts of data points that I put in over time, and so this gives you a sense of that. And then, there's also reference data. So there's all the references, all these literature that had to be read and analyzed, and then that literature had to be coded. So all that had to be put in, and that's all separated out so that there's both data and then reference data, so that the reference data can be expanded is really what I had in mind when I did that. It's a relational database. It's complex, and I ended up learning this, and it's been a labor of love to learn how to write a really complex relational database. Then in order to get it to work, there was a moment where it had to be web-based, and it wasn't web-based. And so that means that things have to be parsed out in very small amounts of pieces, so it goes over the web. And so there's the delay times are minimal. So that was a big hurdle in order to get through that. And then there's things that run it. And so there's all these scripts, and these scripts run everything. So when something happens, then there's code, and this is the bulk of the coding. It just goes on forever. And some of these scripts are really big and complex, and they interweave, and if you break one, you break a bunch of things. So it's a tightly woven structure, and it's a lot of code that is in the backbone of something like this. So I'm just giving you a sense of what it takes to write something so kind of big and unique. And then out comes this product, EchoVet. And it works well, it's fast, it's powerful. It allows me to get my work done really quickly. Just can really be fast with what I do, and very, very complete. And then it's a way where we can look at things, look at data, and look at reference values, and be able to report reference values, which most people don't do. If you'll notice, reports don't have charts or reference values. They just say, here's the number, and then assume that they're still looking things up on a piece of paper. And then we also have educational stuff. It just allows for a really robust solution. Thanks. Hi, thanks for watching. Go to echovet.com to sign up and set up and use EchoVet. We give you 10 free exams to get used to using the system. You don't have to put a credit card in to use it. It's really affordable and profitable for your practice, and volume discounts if you do a lot of ultrasound. And please hit the subscribe button and get future updates with notifications, and we'll provide EchoVet tutorials. And then leave a thumbs up and a comment for us. Helps us get the word out in veterinary medicine to help animals worldwide. Thanks a lot.